Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best new Instax camera on the market, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 Instant Camera in vintage black. This camera is not just about capturing moments, it's about doing so with style and simplicity, all while giving you instant prints that you can hold in your hands within seconds. The Instax Mini 40 combines a sleek vintage design with modern functionality, making it a perfect blend of classic aesthetics and easy-to-use features. It features an optical image viewfinder, which gives you a clear and direct line of sight for composing your shots. The camera automatically adjusts exposure, so you don't have to worry about fiddling with settings. It's designed to deliver the right amount of light, ensuring your photos come out bright and vibrant in various lighting conditions. One of the standout aspects of this camera is its built-in flash. Whether you're shooting indoors or out after sunset, the flash helps illuminate your subject to create crisp images every time. The camera is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around on adventures, parties, or just casual outings. Plus, the vintage black finish adds a sophisticated touch that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Included with this bundle is a Fujifilm value pack of 40 instant film sheets. This film is specially designed for the Instax Mini series, producing credit card-sized prints that develop right before your eyes, making the entire process exciting and tangible. Alongside the camera and film, you also get a vintage-styled carrying case. This case isn't just for looks, it's practical and designed to protect your camera while making it comfortable to carry, with a removable strap for extra convenience. Additionally, the bundle includes a black photo album with 64 pockets. This album offers a stylish way to organize and showcase your instant photos, turning your snapshots into a lasting collection you can flip through anytime. Whether you're gifting this camera or treating yourself, the combination of the camera, film, protective case, and album makes this package a fantastic value. In terms of usability, the Instax Mini 40 is straightforward. It's made for everyone, from beginners to those who want a quick and fun way to print their photos on the spot. Just point, shoot, and watch your memories come to life instantly. The camera runs on AA batteries, which means you can easily replace them without hassle, keeping you ready for more shooting without interruptions. To sum it up, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 Instant Camera offers a charming vintage look paired with practical features that make instant photography enjoyable and effortless. It's compact, stylish, and comes with everything you need to start capturing and preserving your moments in a unique and fun way. If you're looking for a new instant camera that stands out both in function and fashion, the Instax Mini 40 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.